Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Humanity protocol, USDT trading pair with my customer Grasad on a BitGet. So, like you know, after listing, we use initiation accumulation pump model. So I skipped this token, after listing. So I'm gonna share with you anyway the zone of interest. Take a look. We work with these zones. You could analyze any token after listing with just basic, simple strategy. The rules for all tokens absolutely the same. And take a look. If I message some token, you can do this by yourself. I in most cases use the BitGet because usually the BitGet lists or earlier with the lowest price target, because all of these exchanges list the tokens even it's the same day absolutely with different listing prices. So on the BitGet, listing was June 25, 0.305. Take a look. You can use this model with one single daily candle close, right? So you just wait and adjust the FIB, and you know the zone of interest. And take a look how the price respect and react at that level. To buy or not, it's only always up to you. At what level? Up to your size of position, up to your money management, where to buy, where to sell at what level. But 1, 2, this zone, it's okay, comfortable zone for buying token for the speculation. Fixation zone, usually, I highly recommend you use the tutorial, to understand more the logic if you want to know. But I explained a million times this model, and this model get a pretty good win rate. So this is the best zone to buy. Should we drop to all of these zones? We can't know, but we take a risk or not. So here, if you follow this model and buying by limit order or by market order here, 1 day, second day, third one here, you could fix 155% at least based on this logic and the strategy. Or if you waited the highest price target, you could wait based on just simple model, leasing, drop, correction, zone of interest, pump. Initiation accumulation pump model, 421%. Congrats everybody who took a risk. I skipped this token because I can't track all tokens which list every single day. And take a look. Now we try and hold the line at minus 0.61 low by FIB. Based on BitGet here, this token is all-time high is here. We can mark this like a target. So the target is 16 cents. Is it possible or not, guys? Everything possible in crypto, but the red flags for now. So take a look. Market capitalization 111 millions, FDV over than $500 million, 18% tokens in circulation supply. So $1 price, it will be approximately like almost 2 billion market capitalization. Of course, market capitalization is just the numbers. It's just the numbers. It's not that amount of money. What real money, liquidity, so liquidity matter. Market cap can be any numbers, right? What do we have to pay attention? Also, the strategic rounds, seed rounds, there is no data, but keep in mind, guys, you can be sure these guys on the strategic round, on the seed rounds. So this is a problem of this cycle. Some priority people, some priority funds invest in seed round, private rounds, strategic rounds, and early stage, get a tokens. I'm more than sure they use some side wallets, right? And they distribute it step by step. That's why pay attention, please, for the unlocks. So the next unlock will be in the next 21 days, right? So this is an ecosystem, foundation treasury, so track the unlocks, right? Build the realistic price targets. Technically, the initiation accumulation pump model playing out perfectly well, 400%. Where to accumulate this token again? Guys, zones, absolutely the same. So if you miss, for example, if I miss some token, but it's just my rules, I just skip the token. I'm here to trade it, the assets, for the USD, for the profit. We can't buy every single token. We can't buy every single token, even with this model, because we don't have enough money. We are not that type of fancy influencer who get an unlimited budget and buy every single deep, during the last 3 years, That's why, guys, zone of interest for H still the same. It's 1 cent 91, 1 cent 47. When And if we'll drop to these targets, we can't know. Maybe we'll never drop it again. But you remember the chart of Celestia, when the people screaming, we never drop back. Celestia formed something like this. So just in case, guys, never say never. Better work with some plan, with some zones, which is more comfortable, you know, and based on a logic, can give you the more profit, you know, on the distance than just gamble now. Because a lot of people, usually after some pump, people so greedy, you know, in FOMO. Can I buy this token now? It's a low cap, 100 million market capitalization, 6 cents. When if I invest 1K, this token will be $1, 2 billion market capitalization. I will be rich, bro. Of course, you can do whatever you want, right? But you have to be ready to see minus 76% down. Just in case. I don't want to tell you this will happen for sure, but this is just a place and the space of probabilities and the possibilities. So yes, this is kind of boring channel, but this is a fact. This is a fact. We not talk only about to the moon. That's why, guys, highly recommend you work with these zones, you know, like zones of interest. This block we can close. So daily gaps also. What we can get now here. We don't see any weekly gap, daily one here. So full fill will be 5, 10, 17. One gap, second one. So we can mark, this is a daily imbalance. This is a daily imbalance. Done. You can work with this one. Liquidity sweep can be at 1 cent 82 and 1 cent 47. Should we drop to 0.2057? I'm not sure. 0.2084, I don't know. But for example, if we will drop, you can accumulate 1, 2, 3, 4 orders. Invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. For example, the token drop to the best zone to buy. Here, zone of fixation. Absolutely the same zone, you know, until we not break the new all-time high or invalidate the idea. 692% profit and 1K 500 a new high. Right, got it. Take a look now. Let's hide the drawings. Right. Take a look with my customer set, you know, on small time frames. What's going on now? ADZ direction market mode. This is apheria on the market mode, so this is not a time to hop in, like all in token, right? ADZ in the middle. For me personally, it's not a reason or some logical factor to buy the token. So, but of course, it's just my personal opinion. Direction, no data on 12 time frame. 4 time frame, what do we got here? This is still apheria market modes. Definitely not a disbelief, not a capitulation. This, take a look. Tiny accumulation, pump, distribution. We can form another one more top. Why? Because usually we form the 3 tops. When we form the emergency, usually we can form something like BAM, like this one, 11 cents, something like this, and after that drop. So it can be BAM and rejection. And in this area, at least at 4 time frame, this can be the good time for accumulation. Got it. By the way, highly recommend you, like example, open the chart of Wallet Connect. You'll be surprised. Here's the direction, no signal to buy. Guys, I remind you again, this channel, it's not about where to buy, what to buy. We talk about realistic price target because we can open the short position, we can sell the token, we can skip the tokens. And this is not like, this hot as jam will make people millionaires. Just invest $100 and you'll be profitable. No, it doesn't work like this one. Money power. Here, money outflow, no money inflow. Of course, we can form another third wave to the top, right? And after that drop, we need to see some money inflow here. How it looks like? Just example, 1 hour time frame here. This was a listing, drop, here's a money inflow, sideways, pump, money outflow. So highly recommended, by the way, use this my SAT, custom Medicare saddle, link on the description below, and you will find a lot of useful signals, a lot of useful data, you know, like a tool to work with. Trade on, guys. Buy, take profit, sell, buy back, sell, buy back. But it's 1 hour time frame. Here was a signal to sell. So if you open a position, for example, on 4 hour time frame, you could be in profit with the short position 26%. Of course, with a stop loss. Last indicator, guys, take profit. 4 hour time frame, no data. 1 hour time frame. Here, yes, we can form the third top. Usually, we can form the 3 rise pattern. You remember the video, I hope, about 3 rise pattern. Support line now, it's 0.3 cents 83. This is a buy line. Fundamental value of this token on 1 hour time frame, it's 2 cents 87. So this is it. After this pumps, when we trade around take profit or around exit line, this is not a time to buy the token, guys, just in case. So guys, all targets I show you, you know, all zone of interest I showed you, how recommend to track the deaths in shadow, how track the fundraising rounds, track the social, you know, and don't be trapped with all of this fundamental stuff and partnership. What they trying to sell you, you know, because everything what you see is just a marketing. I always repeat, Luna, it was a so great fundamental project and crashed it down to 0. So buy line I showed you, what my indicators now signaling I showed you. If you like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.